Why is Live Good growing so fast? We know this is the fastest growing network marketing company in the world right now in 2023, and there's got to be some great reasons why it's growing so fast. Well, one of the big reasons is, of course, the products that we can access through it. Now, remember, this isn't just a network marketing company. This is using a membership model. So think about membership models. We use them all the time. Netflix, Amazon Prime, Costco, you name it. Big businesses are using the membership model. So you can pay for a year up front, or you pay basically $9.95, I think it is, less than $10 for a monthly membership. This accesses you to massive discounts on the products. Think how Amazon started. Amazon started just by selling books. You know what they're selling now, absolutely everything. And Live Good is duplicating but enhancing that model. So let me have a little look and let me show you exactly what I mean. Now remember, we've got 3 different websites. When we pre-register, we have access to all 3 of these. So if you're watching for the first time, then obviously go to livegoodtour.com/Nick Wood. That will bring you to this page here. Pop in your first name, last name and email. So first name, last name and email there. Reserve your position within the matrix. You can see other videos. I'll put links to them that you can follow to see how we do that and what then happens. Now, once you've in that, of course, you can watch the video there. You have your new section where you have the different things. So you've got the tour, you've got the shop, and you have the basic entry, you got the shop and you got the tour. So I'm now in my livegood.com Nick Wood. As you can see, I've got some people pre-registered there, but we want to go to the shop in this instance. So let's go to the shop, and here we are. So we've got home products, our mission, the team, shop, login. So let's have a look at some of our products. So here we go. We are focusing on the health industry to begin with. And so we've got multivitamins for men, for women. We've got D3K2 2000, that's healthy heart function, vitamins D and K. We've got organic super greens, complete plant-based. So you've got everything here, and you've got to learn more and order now. So you've got these products. CBD oil, that is a very, very popular product as well. So we have all these little things, and we've got packages as well. All different ways we can save money. So let's have a little look. First of all, we can look at the multivitamin for men. So we've got a price of $17.95. We have the description. You can see exactly what it is in the supplement. Everything is made in the USA. Everything there. And then we've got on the website, this is what I love about this Live Good, is the website then actually contains a comparison. So you can see just how much you're saving. So the Live Good price, $17.95. We got Metagenics. There's similar thing is $47.45. You're saving 62%. Again, New Medica, again $29. We're saving 38%. This is where we are getting the benefit of having a membership site. So how to use, take 2 capsules, tells you what to take it with food, best taken in the morning, best taken every day. Everything you need to know. Not just that one though. Let's go and have a look at another. The ladies one will be the same. Let's have a look at the D3. Here we go. So we've got a description. Vitamin D3 and K2. Yes, vitamin D, very, very important. So we've got the explanation, and again, $17.50 for the Live Good product. Metagenics, pure encapsulation. So different people we're comparing with. $34. We're saving just under $50, 50%, just under 18%. These are becoming very, very affordable, and that is why people are benefiting. So just by getting a set of D3K2 for $17.50, you're going to be saving pretty much in the first month. If your competitors, if you're using the Metagenics, you're going to be saving your monthly membership straight away. Let's have a look at one more, CBD oil. So let's look at that, because I know these are flying off the shelves. So we've got CBD oil. This one is for pets. Now, I must explain to you, CBD oil is not allowed on Amazon. So if you're looking on Amazon, that is not the same stuff. I'll go into that in another video, but you wouldn't be comparing like with like. If you check Amazon terms and conditions, you know that they're not allowed to sell it. Okay, so we've got pet CBD oil, $22 as opposed to $39 or indeed $49, Honest Paws. Hey, we call you out on your expense. Let's have a look at the human version though. We definitely have it. Here we go. Yeah, so here we go. Here's the CBD oil. So we've got the amount, the Spectrum hemp extract, fully transparent about what's going into our products. And there we go. So we've got the 750 milligram CBD oil, Live Good price, $28. We've got Green Rose or Young Living, $89.99, $79.95. We are saving 68% or 64%. That is going to cover your cost of your monthly membership instantly and then some. And again, how we take it. And again, why we want it for. The ultimate carrier oil. CBD products use hemp seed oil as a carrier for CBD. More and more, the top CBD brands and products around the world are moving exclusively to a superior character MCT, medium chain triglycerides oil. So there you go. This is top of the range product at absolutely amazing prices. And this is just one of the reasons why Live Good is flying off the shelves, Live Good products, and why the network is growing at such an incredible, expansive rate. If you want to know more, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and the next time I upload a video, you'll get notified. But as I say, do come check it out. It costs you nothing to pre-register and actually just test drive this amazing organization.